1. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Socrates. Socrates, the ancient Greek philosopher, is attributed with this quote. It reflects the humility of true wisdom, suggesting that the pursuit of knowledge begins with recognizing the vastness of what one doesn't know. This quote emphasizes the importance of intellectual humility and continuous learning. Even with all our advancements, there will always be more to discover and understand. 2. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Emerson, a 19th-century American philosopher, highlights the challenge of authenticity in a society that often imposes norms and expectations upon individuals. This quote encourages embracing one's true self despite external pressures to conform. It suggests that genuine fulfillment comes from staying true to one's values, beliefs, and identity, rather than conforming to societal standards. 3. Man is condemned to be free, because once thrown into the world, he is responsible for everything he does. Jean-Paul Sartre. Sartre, a 20th-century existentialist philosopher, expresses the idea of radical freedom in this quote. He argues that humans are fundamentally free to make choices, but are also burdened with the responsibility and consequences of those choices. This existentialist perspective emphasizes the importance of individual autonomy and the weight of personal accountability in shaping one's life. 4. The unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. Socrates, again, emphasizes the value of self-reflection and introspection in this quote. He suggests that a life lived without critical examination lacks true meaning and purpose. By questioning our beliefs, actions, and motivations, we gain deeper insight into ourselves and the world around us. This quote underscores the significance of self-awareness and philosophical inquiry in the pursuit of a fulfilling existence. 5. In the midst of winter, I found there was, within me, an invincible summer. Albert Camus. Camus, a prominent existentialist philosopher, conveys the idea of inner strength and resilience in adversity. This quote metaphorically represents the capacity for hope, courage, and optimism even in the darkest times. It reflects the existentialist theme of finding meaning and purpose within oneself, despite the inherent challenges and uncertainties of life. Camus suggests that despite external circumstances, individuals possess an innate capacity for inner light and warmth that can sustain them through difficult times.